What is going on? We are live. Sunday Night Charts is here tonight, hour later than normal. We had guests tonight, and I just wanted to make sure we take care of them and give them attention. But we're ready to give you guys some attention now, so we're going to jump into the charts today. What's up, Tom? Casey and Daniel, first to comment. Welcome, guys. Glad y'all are here. Glad y'all are here. I'm going to find you guys on my phone so I can keep the chat open, and we'll get rocking here. I'm going to jump right into the charts right away and show you what we're looking at. We'll look at Ethereum, we'll look at Litecoin, Bitcoin, and then we'll start taking chart requests. Okay. Well, my phone is acting up. There we go. Sorry guys, my phone's acting up. All right. Let me know if we got good audio and video. Make sure that sounds good. Boom. There we go. Keith, I'm great, buddy. Hey, what's up, Denny? And Brentley, what's up, man? Into money. What's up? Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Let's get this crypto. Hey, Max. You skipped the ad. Yeah, no problem, bro. I don't care. No big deal. No big deal. All right, guys. There's 20 of you here. Let's get jumping into the analysis. I know that's what you guys are here for, and we're going to do it pretty quickly tonight. And let's see. We'll do. Yeah, we're not going to take. You got to make it through the analysis before I take. What do you call it? Requests. So, anyway. I tell you what, Khalid, you keep a list of the requests. We'll start with you first. We'll keep a list of the requests. You keep a list as they come in. So, hey, what's up? What's up, MT5 guy? How's it going? Am I that big, really? Am I that big? Come on, man. Come on. All right, let's talk about Ethereum first because that's what I'm trading out of the gate. Okay, I'm gonna go to the 4-hour chart. We'll start from the macro, work down to the micro. Okay, actually, we're gonna work. We're going to work out of this pump right here. Okay, what we did, guys, is we came up. Let me just clear my chart. Remove drawings. There we go. Delete that alarm. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, so major support resistance area for Ethereum right here. Right at the top of this, bottom of this wave, top of these waves. You know, I could kind of move it up in between this in this ballpark around the $400 mark, guys. This $400 mark is critical for Ethereum. Okay, long term, it's a major level. Okay, it's acted as support here for a moment, for a bounce, or support a little bit here until it broke through. Then we got resistance, and now we've got some resistance again here at 400. So anyway, $400 is a key level. That's why we had the down move last night. Once they started moving yesterday from about 360 or 350, and they started pumping it to about 370 pretty quickly. I was like, hey, I said in the group yesterday they're aiming at 400, and then we're going to have. Well, thank you, Tom. I appreciate it, man. Thanks a bunch. Thank you for that, Tom. You don't have to do that though, man. You're a subscriber, man. That's what I'm here for. So, but thanks for that. I appreciate it. I really do. All right. Well, anyway, so yeah, $400 for Ethereum, major level. Would like to see it bust on through this significantly here, but chances are we're going to get some rejection here before we go back up. Now, I'm not sure about that. I mean, right here, basically, when we had the run up here, we got rejected, boom, rejected, and then we broke through, found support, and broke through. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here, guys, as far as price action is concerned. Are we gonna find some rejection here for the downside before we try to go up through it again? I don't know. I don't know. But I just wanted you to see the big picture there as far as what's going on. Now, let's see here. This go out to the daily. This low was not broken. So, guys, technically, we could be dealing with it as far as a large scale here as a 1 and a 2, and now we're getting the 1 wave of the next wave. Now, I don't know what the count is here. It's really hard to tell, guys, especially when you get this straight parabolic stuff. Um, you might have a 1-2 right here, and that's real possible, but this just 2 is so shallow. So I'm inclined to think that this is actually the 5th wave right here, and we are going to get a 3-wave move, but I'm not certain about that either. I want to talk about it, and we'll see what we're looking at. Okay. So with that being said, let's go to the micro now and see if we can figure out what's just going on in the grand scheme of things right now. Okay, 2-hour chart. I want to show you something in Bitcoin here, basically that Ethereum has done on several times as well. Bitcoin right here. I want to show you. This is compelling. I want to show it to you. Share it with the Telegram group this morning already. Remove the drawings there. Okay, on this run up right here, guys, on Bitcoin, you'll notice that we had a nice, huge sell-off right here. It was really fast and pretty hard. Okay, came straight down, came impulsively. It was a pretty nice sell-off there. Okay, guys, and then what happened after that is we had a buyback that worked its way back up the ranks there to the top area before it came back down. And WXY went sideways forever. But what I want you to see here is the price action that kind of happened in this area. Okay, so you can find it again. When I change time frames, guys, it just kind of here. I tell you what I'm going to do. There it is, right there. I'm going to push rewind right here. Boom, right there, and that way it'll keep it fresh on the chart. This isn't what do we call it? This isn't like now. This is before. We're just looking at before and see what happened. Okay, so the price action that we got. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. When we got our straight down candle like this, okay, you'll notice that we got a move up, a 3-wave down, a 3-wave up, 3-wave down. Okay, boom. So the way we look at that is boom, boom, boom. Okay, this first move up was the impulse to start it to the upside, had a 3-wave move. Okay, and then we started going up to the upside. Okay, now that's kind of what's going on here in Ethereum. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. What do we got going on? What I'm expecting here is the first move. Let's change color so you can see it better. White's always good. We got an up move. Okay, we got 3-wave, 3-wave. Now I'm expecting this 3-wave to come on down, and that's going to basically give us a 3-wave move. There's your buy zone here for Ethereum, and then we go on up. I'm thinking, guys, this dump was a 4th wave potentially, a 4th wave, and that we need a 5th wave to come. Let me go ahead and remove my drawings here. Let's go to the let's go to the 30-minute chart here. Show you what I'm seeing. 1 hour. Got to get that on the screen. Remember, all of this is just ideas, guys, to be confirmed by price action. We ultimately, the ideas that we share don't always play out, obviously, but we're just drawing ideas for what we're seeing right now. Okay. I have actually, instead of calling this a 1-2-1-2, guys, I've actually started looking at this as a possible leading diagonal instead of a 1-2-1-2. I've been looking at Ethereum as a possible leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like it. I like that pretty well, and that gives us a clear 1 wave followed by a 2 wave. Okay. Boom, boom. All right, let's see what we got. You can see we actually came up to the 4.618 extension right here, right above $400. Now, how do you count this wave? There's a couple of ways you could do it. Let me talk about it. We can count this wave like this: 1, 2. This came to the 2, 6, 1, 8, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that's one way to do it, and there's a 5-wave move. I don't like that personally. I'm actually looking at this possibility better, as real possibility. 1, 2, all that's 3, and this wave that we just got was 4, just like that wave we got on Bitcoin right here that we already talked about. This move right. Let me zoom out here. Let me turn off the replay. There we go. There we go. This move right here was some kind of a 4th wave move. Okay, it was just straight down, and then we continued on to the upside. So it was the beginning of a 4th wave move consolidation. So I'm thinking, guys, this straight down move was very similar to that. It is either the beginning of a top, or it's a 4th wave move, and we should be making our way up to higher highs. I'm inclined to believe that we're going to make our way up to higher highs. Again, this has a potential to be a leading diagonal rather than a 1-2, 1-2. But it could be, so I'm looking at this wave, something like this. Not a biggest fan in the world of that, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Leading diagonal. And then we come out of that. This is Bitcoin, guys. Came up to the 3618, came down, and tagged the 50% retrace of the 3rd wave. Let's check it out. It came and tagged the 50%. Now it's doing all its trading around the 382, which is what you would expect for a 4th wave move, right? So anyway, so using Ethereum, using Bitcoin, I'm guessing, guys, that this move yesterday was a 4th wave correction that we're gonna start heading up now. But I think we're gonna retest the bottom, and once that's retested, then we'll head up. That's my guess. I never can be certain about price action. Shoot, it could start going up right now. Shoot, we could be in a leading diagonal here of Ethereum like this. It's a possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. But then we would expect a 3-wave move down. Okay, once that's finished, off to the races, guys. Okay, so I'm still looking and guarding against the upside. So I'm trading it on the 15-minute chart right now, and smaller, making sure that I'm in the right trade at the right time, looking at wave structure, and so on. So let me show you the trade that we had last night, that I shared with the group last night. We made money. We made about 25, 30 bucks per Ethereum on a long last night. I'll show you that, guys. And then we'll look at Litecoin as well. Okay, kind of moving through this quick. This is the way I'm looking at it for now. So we're going to do the micro account now. So is this a diagonal? Guys, it's possible. It's possible that we're dealing with a diagonal. I don't think so, though. Personally, I don't think so. But certainly don't want to rule it out quite yet. The market is triangular for sure. There's no doubt about it. Okay, the way I'm looking at this right now, what I see here in this structure for Ethereum is there's a clear 3-wave move right there. We shorted that last night, made money, and then we went long down here. And I didn't take profit until the top of this wave right here. So actually, I didn't take profit up here because I was thinking we were going to get another push. There was my golden indicator was telling me we were going to get another push. But remember, I said in yesterday's video, if you watched it, that they can take out divergence. And they did do that. So anyway, once this thing came down and then came back up, this is where I took my profit on this trade. But basically, we traded it down. I traded it short last night. I shorted that thing. I longed it and then shorted it again. It was awesome. It was really, really good. I tagged the bottom, took my profit. I actually switched the trade long. Traded that thing up, and then I took my profit up here somewhere and then took it short again. And took my profit at the bottom of that wave. Actually hit the bottom pretty decently there, right around that region right there, and then went long. Okay, and this is where And I shared that long trade this morning. Let me show you guys. If you're not part of the Telegram group, let me just show you where I shared that today. Where did I put that? Right. Let's see. Right there. There we go. I had my H shape. We were hitting the one-to-one extension right there, and I basically said, down here at the bottom it says I just went long on ETH one-to-one extension H entry. Got the reaction off the fib. Entry was 358.90, and so that's where I got in 358.90. I also offered a trade setup when Bitcoin was moving. Right here, here's a setup that I gave on Ethereum this morning. That moved to the upside, and so basically, I set the stop, the targets, and all that. So if you'd like to have trade setup and charts like this, um, then you're welcome to join the Telegram, and I offer these as they come, the best I can right there. Let's see, I offered this as a possibility earlier, said we're probably going up, golden indicator, but I got what's the word? It got invalidated. Okay, let's see. I shared a video today about 11:30. What I was market update, what I'm looking for, what to watch out for. And then, yeah, now this is my latest idea here. We're heading down right here. So anyway, that's what you get on the chart channel here in the Telegram group, just to give you a sneak peek there on what you can expect to get if you're part of that. So anyway, what I'm seeing here is a three-wave move here. Okay, this is a tough one here, but this is a three-wave move. Let me show it to you right here. We got a one move there. Down, up, down, right there, and then up there. So that's a little tricky, guys. You're gonna have to learn. We call this the matrix move in our group, where this move right here. Um, you see this three-wave move there, and a three-wave move there, and a three-wave move there. Okay, it's really a three-wave move. Okay, kind of like a running flat, so to speak. Okay, but that is a three-wave move. Didn't see it till after the fact, but there it is, and you can see how we came up to the one-to-one extension right between the one-to-one and the 127 extension. So that's what we call a matrix move here. It's a trick. It's a tricky play because generally speaking, you're waiting for three-wave moves like this and then up, right? But what they did is they took it up. They took it up correctively, like that. Okay, so the three-wave move was like this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and so then the entire wave like this. Three-wave move. All right, now we got another kind of a matrix move here as well, right here in Ethereum. You have to learn to see them, okay? But we got this measures to the 127 extension. When you measure it, let me show you how to measure it. You basically measure the first wave, bring it down to the bottom of the second wave, and you see it came to the 127 extension. We got a nice flat right there. It's actually a 335. It's beautiful. I believe. Unless it continues going up, then we'll have to reevaluate. But that's what I'm looking at right now. So basically, what we've got here, the way I'm looking at it, this wave, it's a three-wave move, which you see there, and now we're looking for a three-wave move down like that. It may come down lower as a five-wave, or this actually may be instead of three waves, you might call this a five-wave move. 5, 3, and now we're expecting a five-wave move to the downside. Regardless, the ultimate move we're looking for, change colors here so you can see it, is a big three-wave move like that. And that is going to give us our correction if we're going up, I believe. This is the way I'm thinking about it right now. Okay, it's at least one possible scenario. We're looking for entry somewhere down in this region here, and then off we go to the races. Okay. Please wear a mask when you stream. Thanks there, Josh DeStefano. Appreciate that, buddy. You're killing me, dude. Oh man. Okay, somebody's got a question here. A comment, nice shirt. Thanks, Jordan. Appreciate it, man. I love Star Trek and Star Wars. So yeah. Um, let's see here. Haven't talked about LTC yet. We'll get there, Tuna. Casey asked a question. Jim, can you explain how we can recognize the ending diagonal? Okay, an ending diagonal basically comes it comes in the fifth wave position or a C wave. Okay, so it needs to be in a wave 5 of some structure or a C wave. So if you've got an ABC, for instance, ABC, the ending diagonal will basically start making it'll go down in 3 waves but in 5 sections. Okay, so it'll be basically um, it'll make this shape. Okay, it'll make that shape, and then the waves will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each one of these 5 waves will be 3. Okay, they'll be made up of 3 waves generally. So we got 3, 3, and 3. Everything will be, these will be 3 as well. They're small. I just couldn't draw it. All you got to do, guys, is just go to Google, type in ending diagonal, Elliott wave. Okay, and then you'll get all kinds of pictures about diagonals and such. Okay, and you can check out and you can see how you got an A, B, and then the C wave is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 like that in a diagonal formation. You can kind of see how that works. You can see it in bull markets and bear markets. You can actually get a real picture of a diagonal right here. So when you start seeing 3 waves in a like what we call a wedge shape, basically that's pretty much probably a diagonal. Look to see where that fits in the grand scheme, but it needs to be in the place of in a place where you have 5 waves. Generally, the ending diagonal is going to be wave 5 or wave C. Beginning diagonals happen in wave 1 or wave A. Okay, so there you go, wave 1 or wave A. Hope that helps you very quickly talking about that. Yeah, we'll hit link later, buddy. Um, what's up, Dinosaur Muscle Cars? One of my faithful followers and subscribers. Thanks, man. Let's see. Okay, so there's so that a bunch of trash here. Let me just remove all my drawings here and just kind of give you a final look at what I'm looking at here. So I'm kind of thinking right now, unless this wave does something different than I'm expecting, I'm looking at somewhere down here at the 338 to 349 range, and we basically got a 3 wave, a 3 wave, and a 3 wave. Now remember, um, this wave could come on down to this region. So either the 1-to-1 or the 127 extension. I would think it's probably going to come tag the 127 extension. Probably over here, you can kind of see the top of this wave, bottom of these waves right here in this region. Um, High likelihood of some kind of a rejection in that region right there. Okay, so that's where I'd be targeting here. Provided that we come down here, provided that my wave shape is correct that I've already shared with you, that this is a flat right there, and we'd basically be looking for this like that. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for to finish out that correction, and then what I'd be looking, once that's finished, then I would expect a long. So I am currently actually short right here from the top of this wave, hoping that that's correct. If not, I have a stop in place where I will stop the trade if it doesn't go the direction I'm expecting. Okay, so hopefully it'll come on down here to this region, and then we head on up. So that's the way I'm looking at that. All right. Let's look at Bitcoin here. Actually, I want to go down to the 2 minute time frame real quick on while I'm taking a peek here because I am in this trade. Um, that looks like a 5 wave. It could be a 3 wave there. We might get one more wave to the high here, so that's possible. We might get another wave up here. It's going to test the 1618, but my stop is up here at right above the 1618. If we come up here and hit that, it's probably going higher than that. Um, but I'd like to see some rejection and some down movement here from this level. That's what I'm watching for. There you go. Okay, yeah. If we make a new high farther than 388, Jordan, how would that look? What would that be? You'd have to find a way to make this a one wave, right? That you got your 3 wave move to the downside and it's finished. This was your a 3 wave move here, and you'd have to basically say that this is like a 3 wave move to the upside that's going to break the high, maybe. So maybe you'd have to think of it like this, like that. But what would that be? Okay, I mean, how would that look here? In other words, it probably wouldn't be a 3 wave move. That this would have to be. Um, Sorry, guys. Let me get this off the screen. Oh, y'all can't see that under me. Never mind. So this would have to be some kind of a 1 wave. This would be a 3 wave 2, and then we'd have to get some kind of a 3 here, and then we'd be heading up. We'd be going up for higher highs, right? Um, it just the wave structure doesn't look like that right now. Okay, because I can't get 5 waves here. Okay, that's my first problem. I can't get 5 waves right here for an impulse. We only come up to the 1618, and there's just not a clear 5 waves in there. I got a 1, 2, and a 3, but then I don't have a 4th wave and a 5th wave. Okay, so this isn't 4. Um, so to me, it's again the way I'm looking at this wave is this did a matrix move right there. Okay, and then there's your wave. There's your connecting wave. So boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then here's our connecting wave for the downside here. So we got boom, boom, and then boom. Okay, I'm expecting now this could go just a little bit higher. Okay, and then down, but I don't want to see it um, go a whole lot higher. Personally, it would confuse me then. But we'll stop it out, and that's not my trade right now. So anyway, all right, that's the way I'm thinking about that. Yeah, we'll hit Tesla. All right, let's finish Bitcoin here on the micro. 60 of you watching, welcome. If you've never been part of the channel, glad you're here. I'm an Elliott Wave trader, and just trying to give you some macro and micro help here on just looking at from a wave perspective here from Elliott Wave mindset. Okay. All right, let's take a peek here at this. I'm not trading Bitcoin right now. I'm trading Ethereum because it's moving better. It's moving a lot better. So right here came just barely tagged the 1618. So to me, we got a 3 wave move right there. That's a 3 wave move. That's beautiful. Got a clear 3 wave move there. Okay, so now what are we waiting for? Well, we're waiting for a 3 wave move. But right here, what we got is an expanded flat. So boom, there we go. That's why the correlation helps. You can see the structures better sometimes, and so that's basically what I'm looking for. Um, so I'm looking for this to finish somewhere in this region. Okay, 10,900, 10,800 in that ballpark. That's basically going to retest our low. Uh, down this region could come all the way down to 10.7, and then off we go. Because what that would do for us, get you some context here. Let me pull the fibs. Yeah, 10.7, 10.6 even. Okay, gives us a nice 3 wave move. to the downside. Okay, down to corrective fibs. Come on. And then I'd be looking for it to go up from there. It may not go straight up. It'd probably just start trudging its way on up, slowly but surely. But yeah, that's the way I'm looking at that wave. So I'm personally targeting right there, 10,782 to 10,643. We could come and wick the bottom of this thing, you know, but that's kind of the way I'm looking at that guy. All right, so there's Bitcoin. Let's take a peek at Litecoin. I'll spend some time on Litecoin here because it's been a while since I've spent time on Litecoin. Let's spend some time on Litecoin for a bit. Go to the 8-hour chart. All right, guys. Now, what do we got going on here? Well, to me, this is a leading diagonal. It's a leading diagonal to begin it. Same as XRP, by the way. Litecoin and XRP look the same. The charts are close to the same. Okay, so we got a 5-wave move. Okay, and then we got a nice clear 3-wave pullback right there. I came to the 1-to-1 extension, which was actually it came to the 786, so it denied us our target, which bothered me about Litecoin. Yeah, it hit the 786, not quite to the 1-to-1, so it kind of bothered me. I was expecting this to kind of come down and tag it before we went up, and that's one of the reasons I balked at this move to the upside. I was waiting for the hit to the low. We just never got it. So yeah, sometimes you just gotta, you gotta take what they give you and go with it. So basically, but we did get a nice 3-wave move right there. Okay, and now we got a nice leading diagonal here. Okay, again, I'm instead of looking at this as a 1-2-1-2, I've kind of been saying that could be, to simplify it. I try to look at it as simple as possible. Could simply just be a leading diagonal right there. Zooming in on that guy, it's very possible. That's the way we categorize that: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so there's a leading diagonal that began. We got a 3-wave pullback. The reason why the leading diagonals are often the starting waves of these things, because they look corrective. In other words, they look like they're corrections. They measure correctively, but they're actually impulsive structures, and so they're designed to fool traders. And so they often start moves out with leading diagonals. And so if you learn to recognize them, you're going to learn to really be able to trade this market pretty well. Had a nice 3-wave pullback. I wonder, guys, if they had hidden bullish divergence here. If you watch yesterday's video, we got price going to the upside, while the RSI from the same peak is going to the downside. You got a 3-wave move that hit to the 1-to-1 extension, or the 127 extension, and we had hidden bullish divergence on that. That was a long, all day long from this range, $42 all day long. That was a long. I haven't been trading Litecoin lately or watching the chart much, so I missed that. I didn't trade that because it's not what I was trading. So anyway, I had a nice long up to the upside. Let's now pull the fibs on this upper move here. We came up to the 3618, tagged it, and came back down. Let's look and see. I'm going to get rid of these fibs down here. Okay, so we came up to a nice, the way I'm counting this right now is 1, 2, that's 3. This is 4, going up for 5. I think that's what I think. One of the reasons I think that is because if I pull the fibs, I'm just assuming here. Yeah, we came and tagged the 50, did most of our trading around the 382. So yeah, the 50 to the 382 is where we expect fourth wave retraces. We also expect the fourth wave retrace to come to the fourth wave of the third. So the lower degree. So this is the fourth wave right here of the last wave, and you'll notice how this fourth wave came to that region, okay? And that's often what fourth waves do. Wave 4 does. The larger wave 4 comes to the 4 of the lower degree. So there you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I think we're going up for 5. That's what I believe, and that's what I think is happening here. So anyway, I think let's go to the micro now and just do some analysis there. I hope I'm not going too fast, guys. Are y'all following? Y'all tracking this at all? Am I going too fast to help anybody, or is this helping? Hopefully you guys can start seeing regularly as I do this in front of you. You can start picking up on what I'm doing, and then you can start analyzing the market the same way. That's the goal. All right, now to make an argument that we might be going up from here, again, the first thing I do is I let my eyes jump out to what I see immediately. And what I see immediately right here is that shape right there. Okay, I see immediately this shape right here. Okay, I see this shape right here. Okay, so what am I seeing? This looks like a leading diagonal to me, right in there. Might delineate that a little bit better. It's a potential. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Maybe. Not sure how to count that personally. This could be 1 over here. This could be 2. So I'm not sure, but it kind of looks like a diagonal. Looks 5 wave-ish to me. To me, that could be a leading diagonal. So that's a 5 wave move. Okay, with a 3 wave pullback, that means I'm expecting a 5 wave move to end this thing or to continue on. And so Litecoin could be doing this here, and that would imply that Bitcoin and Ethereum are also going up, and that down, we're not going to get that down wave. Now I'm not sure about that, but we'll have to wait and see. So there's 5 waves, there's 3 waves, and that's what I would expect from now. Now I don't know. If this isn't a diagonal, then that's just a 3 wave move. Okay, so how would we look at that? We'd look at that 3. Let's see. I would say 3, 3, and 3. That's a. I don't like this. I don't like that wave right there. But you'd look at that as some kind of a 3 wave move, something like that. Oh, guys, look at that. Actually, that could be a 3 wave move. Look at this. I think this is right. There's a leading diagonal in the A wave right here. There it is. That's it. This is the way to look at it. That's a 3 wave, guys. I believe this. There it is. That's a diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's A. Okay. Then you had B and then C. The other option, the other possibility is that this whole thing, this is A right here, and that this is B right there. That whole thing is B, and now we're waiting for C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Which would imply 3 more down. Guys, that's tough. That's a tough one there. Depends on what that is. Depends on what that is. But that's an A, B. Actually, that's just A, B. And then, now the other possibility is that that's 1 and this is 2, and we're mooning from here. That we're going up. That's going to start just trudging up right now. It's not going to go down and hit those lower targets. They're not going to give us a chance. In fact, Ethereum's not giving me the wave shape that I want to see. One, two, three, four, five. That's more of a 5 wave move. That might be. Just thinking about Ethereum here because I'm trading it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 3, 5 right there. I don't like the wave shape there though. It's a tough one, guys. Nah, I don't know. It didn't measure right. This one still can go up a little bit, so I'm not sure. Sorry, guys. Okay. Yeah, more data. I need more data. More data. One two seven extension. I mean, that's quite possible. You got that. There's your 3 wave move. And that's your connecting wave. 3, 3, 3. That looks pretty plausible there. Are you seeing it? 3, 3, and that's a big WXY correction. Off to the races after that. And you can see where this kind of a shape, guys, traps traders, right? Because everybody's trying to figure out: are we going long or short now? Are we going up or down from here, right? That's what everybody's mindset is right now. So this thing came down really fast. A bunch of people think it's going to continue down, and a bunch of people think it's going to go up from here. And so basically, what happens now is that the market makers are going to take it up, and they're going to take it down. They're going to take it up and take it down. And every time they take it up, the bulls are getting excited. And every time they take it down, the bears are getting excited. And they're all taking positions, right? You're taking buys and sells, buys and sells. So, that's the idea there. So, and that's what's going on. So you got to understand that and trade with it. You got to trade with it. But that's what WXYs are designed to do. They go sideways, up and down, trapping traders in their positions until finally they take it the direction they're going to do. And the market makers are also taking their positions as well. So it's just a matter of just trying to be on top of the 5 minute, 15 minute chart and seeing what's happening here. So. All right. Well, there's Litecoin. We need more data. Definitely, if you're in the Telegram group, as more data comes in, I will let you guys know. But that's where I am. Let's catch up with the chart here. Casey, the Telegram group is private. You'll see you, Max. Luke, thanks, buddy, for the likes. Appreciate it. You guys are all fighting for your suggestions, for your requests. Um, Tuna, I mean, Kraken is the U.S. exchange that you can use. I don't know what Washington's rules are, but Kraken is the 5x. As far as I know, with Prime XBT, you don't have to use the 100x. You can choose whatever, whatever you want. Crypto Miracle, you have just bought your way into the first The first one. Let me, guys, I'm going to pull up my chart here on Ethereum because, again, I'm short right now, but it's kind of pushing to the upside, and I want to make sure it doesn't go up much higher than this because if it does, I want to get out of it. I'm in at like 382.10 or something like that. I can't remember. So my stop is 386 something. So um, let me make sure. Yeah, yeah, my stop is like right up here above the 1618. We got bearish divergence here, so I'm expecting probably a wave to the downside. We'll wait and see what we get there. Okay, all right, ready for requests. Actually, before I take requests, any questions on Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum? How did we do there? Did you understand what we're putting down? Um, all right, Khalid. Hopefully, you got a list of all the requests, man. Did you make a list, Khalid? Because I was depending on you to do that for me. So throw the um, question up or down. Yeah. Anybody's good. I think down, guys, then up. I think down, then up. That's what I'm thinking. They could go up, then down, then up again. So, but trust me, guys, we're probably going to go sideways, up and down for several days here while the market consolidates. It's not going to just start moving again that fast. Okay, not after that big sell-off. Exchanges need to reset. They need to collect orders, take your money, things like that. Okay, so into money, what's confusing about Litecoin? Right now, it's just not clear. Litecoin's not clear as to what we're getting. It's actually not a bad chart, but it just depends on what this is, what all this is here. Um, just depends. Oh man, I was dependent on you, man. Oh bummer. Okay, well I'm gonna go back through, guys. I tell you what, right now, if you want to be first, tips are welcome, and you get first in line. Otherwise, right now I'm taking requests starting now. So whatever, whoever's first in line, I'll just go in order. So get them in right now, okay? Khalid, he was the first to ask earlier, and I told him I would get him first. So let's see, XTZ. So I'll get XTZ first, and then we actually we'll do Crypto Miracle first, XRP first, and then we'll do XTZ after that, and then whatever comes after, that's the order of things. Okay. All right, here we go. XRP. Let's check it out. A lot like Litecoin, guys. XRP is just like Litecoin. Pretty quick. Thanks, Crypto, for the tip. I appreciate it, buddy. Yeah, got a clear three-wave move to the upside. So we had a down move, three-wave up, I think. Probably doesn't measure right. It doesn't. Let's see here. What do we got? Mm-hmm. Leading diagonal to start us out. A flat 3-3-3 like that. Kind of an odd shape, but there. And then we had uh, impulse out of it. Came and tagged the 2618. I think this is the fourth wave down, getting a fifth wave to go to the upside. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going up for 5. Best I can see. Okay, let's try to make some sense out of this. Uh, it doesn't make sense much. Impulse 3, 3, 3. That's probably what I'm thinking. This is actually an impulse wave, even though it looks three wave-ish. The the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically the 1 and 2 are hidden in this wick. This is the fourth wave. That's the fifth wave up. So I would say that's probably an impulse up, just like in Bitcoin and in Ethereum. Um, and in Litecoin, so that's impulse to the upside. A three-wave move looks like a triangle might be forming as the B wave. So we got an A, a B. Now we need a C wave. Um, I would project a pullback if this is right, somewhere around 26 cents to 25 cents. I'd expect C down here somewhere. If this is right, we have to see how this plays out. If this continues you know out like I'm thinking it might. Okay, so ABC like that, and then we go up. Is it up from here? Is it up from here? I'm just trying to see out of the box if it could go up from here or if it could go down from here. B, C. I mean, the only other thing I could see is this could be A, and the triangle could include this. So the triangle could actually include this leg as well. A, B, C, D, E, and then we go up from here. But that would just be an ABC. A, B, C, and that would imply downside after that. I don't know. I like my first graph better of XRP. But I'm not sure. XRP stuff. I need more data. I need to see how this wave develops. I need to see how this wave is developing first. So I'll bring a video tomorrow and the next day. Excuse me. On what it what it's gonna do there. Not sure. Okay. Hey, Kelly Jones. Thank you so much. Gold. Okay, gold it is. Got it. Wow, lots of requests. Wow. Okay. So Crypto Miracle, there you go for XRP, and everybody else is asking for XRP. I'm still seeing upside, but the way I think it's going to happen is that we're going to come down, test the low, and then go up. Now, how we get there exactly, I can't say, but I think we're probably going to come down, test the low, and then go up from there. That's be what I would expect, but I'm not certain. Okay, after XRP, we're going to do XTZ and then gold. Kelly will get gold right after that. XTZ, USD. We'll go Binance. Why not? Clear three waves down, guys. Clear three waves down. So it's some kind of impulse to the upside. 1, 2. And now that's a clear three waves. Now it looks like we're getting an impulse off the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is beautiful, guys. This is a beautiful wave. So this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need to get 5. I mean, look at that beautiful thing. Look at that gorgeous three-wave move right there. I mean, it couldn't be any better than that. Just really pretty. I would expect this fifth wave for XTZ to get up here, right? Let's see what we got here. Yeah, this came way too low for me. I don't understand that wave, but look at what you got. You got a beautiful three-wave move, came to the 1 2 1 2 6. Boom, boom. I need more data here, but it looks like a 1 2, and I would say up is the direction. I up is the direction from here, best I can tell. Now where the best entry is, can't say. Let's see if I can do a little bit of micro analysis on the entry here. That's a three wave. Well, it might go down first. I mean, you got a three wave here, and then there's a three wave here. I mean, it would imply a three wave before we go up. Be careful there. Be careful there. I need more data. Need more data. More data. More data. I need to see how this wave plays out. Where is this going? Once I see how this wave plays out. But man, yeah, I could see up or down right now. That's a tough one to call. Anything in the RSI? Nothing. Nothing on the 1 hour. Uh, yeah, I'm sorry. But this looks like a three wave to the up. So I got three down, three up. I'm expecting some kind of three down of about the same size, right? Boom, boom. I would expect something about the same size. If it goes down, I mean, 245, 246 to 225. Hard to tell. Need more data here. Got to have more data. Sorry about that. That's the best I've got there. Make sure. Okay. All right, gold is next. Let's look at gold. Remember, tips jump to the front of the line, guys. Tips jump to the front of the line. Gold. Let's go to the daily. Okay, 1, 2. Let's go into 20. Best I can see. If this is a flat correction here, not sure if that is or not, but if that's a flat correction there, it's pushing 2,000 this week or next week. I would think. Now I don't know how it's going to get there, right? Because okay, but I see the target up here, right? The target's here. Now how it gets there, I can't say because, you know, I mean, look, you might get this big down move first, or a little bit of a down move first before it goes up. So, you know, this is the weekly chart, right? So on the weekly chart, it's looking at 2066 on the weekly. Okay, that most likely, you know, this week or next week, it's wanting to get up there to 2066. Come up here and hit the 2618 extension. And this would be part of a third wave. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I mean this is part of a third wave that it might even want to get up here to 2400 pretty quick. Okay, it might even want to get up to 2400 in the next several weeks. 3-day chart, nothing saying anything. Yeah, that's tough. This is a tough wave structure here for gold. If this is a 1, 2 of the third wave, still looking at 2081 in that region before we get a substantial correction. Three, four, five, like that. Third wave. Guys, it's pointing to about 2050, 2060, 2080 in that range. Did you send me, Max? Did you send me a chart that I need to look at? Send it to. Let's see. Did you send it? Private message me it, and I'll take a look at it. Or do you want me to just look at EJ for you, or look at your EJ? So let me know. Thanks, Max. Man, it's very generous, very kind. Thank you, buddy. All right, so yeah, the next target is up here, but whether we get a correction first, I can't say. Just be careful when you go parabolic, guys. You're gonna get corrections. Okay. All right. Well, max jumps. We're gonna do EJ now. Your JPY. I have this in my. All right. All right. Let's see what EJ is doing here. On the 3-day chart, let's go to the weekly here. Where are we going? Here is an example of an ending diagonal. Right here. That's an ending diagonal right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this finished something. That means this began something. So we got a 5-wave move, a 3-wave pullback. So let's just look at this weekly just for a minute on EJ. Get a bias for our direction. Okay, we got a 3-wave pullback. What was the next wave? Another 3 waves. So we got 3-wave, 3-wave. Now what do we expect? Unless, wait a minute. Go to the 3-day for a minute. Is this a diagonal here? It measures kind of correctively, but is that a diagonal? Okay, and let me just do this real fast, Max, and I'll look at your macro. So that could be a diagonal. What is that? 3, 3, 3. That wave is crap right there. I'm not sure what that is there on the 3-day on the daily. Maybe that. We're sitting at the 126 right now. It's kind of an odd wave shape, isn't it? This looks like 3 waves to me. So this looks like a 3, a 3, and now we need a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks to me down. Down's the next move. So this, to me, this looks like a flat. So let's check Max's. You got 5 waves. Yeah. That's the way we're looking at the same thing there. Yeah. So I'm seeing that as a 5-wave right there. So let's go down to the 8-hour. That's the wave you're asking about. You'll notice we got the divergence here, big time. We got big time divergence here. Um, this just feels like it has a lot of room to come up though, even and still keep the divergence. So we got to be careful about that. So let's go to the 2-hour chart. Only look at this last wave here. Looks like an ending diagonal, dude. Just looks like a diagonal. That's the way I'm thinking about it. What if it's just something simple like this? It might have a couple more hits to the high, maybe. Okay, so there's the 5 waves there. So let's just look at this wave right here and see what's going on in the 15-minute chart. Um, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like the 5th of the 5th to go. I agree. Yeah, probably 15-minute chart. Wait for that. Wait for a stop hunt to the high. And then boom. Take it down. That's the way it looks to me. I think we're in agreement, bro. I think we're in agreement. Um, where's that going to come? Where's our target? Could it get all the way up here? Maybe. Yeah, I'm about. There's quite a few pips difference between our two targets. So here's the target zone. Let's see how that lines up with this being a flat. You got the 1618. Yeah, I mean, we're right in the target zone, man. We're approaching it. Got another push up. Sweet. All right, guys. Man, there are a lot of charts here tonight, guys. Dang. HM Polash, you got to stop doing that, dude. I got you. I got you, man. I'm going to go in order. I'm going to go in order from what I said starting now. Okay, Tom. Let's see. I did Tezos. Did XRP. All right, here we go. Keith, we're going to do link. Now remember, if you want yours done quickly, tips start first. Oh, Tom, you tipped earlier, didn't you? Let's do AU. And then we'll do link after that. AU then link. Okay. On the macro here, I think we're finishing the third wave. I think we're really close to reversal, if not have a reversal. So waiting for the down move. Okay. This is 3, 4, 5. So waiting on this fourth wave, should come down here to the level of the fourth of the lower degree. Okay, so I'm looking for shorts, man, on the macro here on the 6-hour chart, 4-hour chart. Okay, so let's look at this wave right here, see if we got 5 finished waves or not. Okay, looking for major shorts here on AU. 30-minute chart. There we go. Four, five. Looks like a fifth wave is finishing or finished. Yeah, I think we've reversed already, man. I think we've reversed. Let's see. Let's look at the 5-minute chart, Tom. This looks like a reversal wave. Looks like 5 finished waves might be complete or close to complete. Most likely going to get some kind of a 3-wave pullback, and then we're going to go. Okay, so I'd probably wait for that, man. I don't know that I would trade it up. You can trade it up, but wait for your reversal and confirmation. But yeah, I'm probably short term, Tom. We're looking for some kind of wave to the upside, some kind of corrective wave. I don't know how high in this region here. I would say here's liquidity zone, um, above, right above here, right above there. Who knows in that region. And then that yellow line is a key line from another place, so you got to understand that. So yeah, so coming up back up to this region, 3 waves, and then down, and then down. So yeah, we're waiting for this thing to come up, and then we'll take it down. So looking for short, I would say, unless something comes up and breaks the high. This is looking complete to me. Looks like a finished wave. Okay, Tom, there you go, buddy. There's AU. That's the way I'm thinking about it right now. I'm going to bring some more detailed analysis in the group, so don't worry about that, bro. Thanks again for the tip earlier. Appreciate it. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, man. You guys are going to work me hard tonight, guys. Work me hard. XRP. I just did Audi. All right, let's do Link next, and then we'll do DraftKings and Silver. Link. Okay, here's what I'm seeing here. What jumps out at me is this structure right here. That's what jumps out at me. Measures kind of deep into the 1618. But considering that as a possibility, boom, boom, boom. A move to the downside is next. I can't be certain. The only other possibility here, yeah, the other way to look at that is this right here. 3 waves. Okay, and now we're going to go up, down, up, and continue up from there. That up is the direction. So I can see it both ways there. We got to see what Bitcoin and Ethereum do. But if they're heading up in 4th waves, then this is going up. And this looks like a 4th wave here. And that we're getting ready to get a big push in Link up. If we go up, where do we expect Link to go? I mean, up here to $11. if we go up from here. And that would give us our 5 waves. If that's correct. It could be wrong, but it's a thought. And that we consider this. Yeah, it gets us up to the 2618. There's a lot of confluence there. Heading to $11 maybe in Link, guys. Link could be heading to $11 for this wave. Let's go down to the 1 hour and look at this and see if we can figure something out. Leading diagonal, 1-2 wave. That's the way I would interpret that, maybe. Maybe. There's a leading diagonal. And this down piece was a 2 wave. And now we're going up. You might get this first, then that. Don't know. That's hard. I need more data. I'm sorry, guys. I just need more data. I can't give you anything definitive. Okay. All right. There's Link. All right. Let's do DraftKings. I like the DraftKings chart. It's awesome. It's a great chart. It's one of the best charts out there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Clear as mud. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. All right. This is beautiful, guys. Check it out. It's a beautiful chart. Two 618, 3 618. It's beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm assuming we get 5, right? Right? Same. Yeah, we got a 3-wave move down. Came to the level of the 4th wave of the 3rd. Looking great. Looks like it's going up from here. I mean, best I can tell. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Analyze this wave. That looks like an impulse to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Come down to the 1-to-1 extension. Yeah, so we're right in the buy zone, guys. I mean, we're right in the buy zone. I mean, golden pockets right here at 31.56, but you're only $1 off of that right now. If you wanted to ladder in, I would say it's a buy zone to me. The way I'm thinking about it, I'm not giving financial advice, but we're in the buy zone. Your stop is maybe down here at the 7 at $30 or something. Definitely your stop is at 27.60. If you bought, up here, below this low, that would be where your stop is. Okay, so 27.60 is 50 or something like that is your stop. You're in the buy zone here, and you can wait for a clear reversal if you want to before you want to buy if you want some confirmation. But yeah, it looks like we're heading up. Let me see if I can give you an upside target. For DraftKings. $49, guys. We're heading up to $49. Probably higher. $49 looks good. Yeah, probably higher, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably up to $55. 55 to 62 is what I would say. Anywhere from $50 to $62. There's our zone. We'll have to see how this wave takes shape. Okay. That's the way I'm looking at it, guys. The only way that would change is if this became a more complex correction. Did this, then that. Still in a buy zone, even if it did that. You just break even. You can just break even there. Okay, there's DraftKings. Let's look at silver. Silver's just rocking. It's going up, guys. Just going up. I see it way up. Okay, we hit our target here. We're in a correction. Wait for this correction to play out. Looks like a good third wave. It's close to playing out now. It's got more downside to go, it looks like, to $21, something like that. Maybe not. We'll have to wait and see. It may not. It may be done its downside. I'm not sure. Or maybe have a larger correction here. Hard to tell. But the next target, after it comes down, it's up here at $31. That's the next zone we're looking at. Oh, and you can see right here, there's a beautiful zone right here. We're sitting at that zone right now at 26. The next zone. Yeah. So due for a correction though, so be careful. Don't know how it's going to get up there. Don't know when and if it's going to get up there. It's the way I'm looking at it for now. Let me step back and see if there's something else I should be looking at. What in the world did I just do? Accidentally changed charts. Yeah, I mean, this is the bottom here, so whenever this wave is finished, we need a correction. We need a clear 3 waves. So it's at correction zone potentially, so be careful. It may not go. It may start correcting here. I can't say. But it may be time for a larger correction and then before we go up. Because you can see we're right at this level here, so should have some resistance and some sell-off that happens here, and then up. So I'm not sure. I can't say how it's going to get up there, but I believe long term over the next couple of years, silver is going to make all-time highs. Silver's heading for this. Okay, that's where silver's going, best I can see. But that's going to be years. Okay. All right, I did Tezos already. EU Tactical is asking for EU. Okay. Drawings. Got the weekly chart. EU chart is so ugly. It's the most manipulated chart out there. Let's due for a correction, guys. We're ready for on the daily something of this size before we go up. So on the daily, we're ready for some kind of little bull flag before we go up. Yeah, it's pretty maxed out. 3618 extension from this wave right here. Yeah, it's pretty maxed out. It's down. The direction is down on the daily and the larger time frames. Just how it goes down, it's harder to say. But I would expect a little pullback and then down. See how we got this down and then we got this pullback and then down. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Probably going to be up in the short term. Um, Up and down. It's going to be but down is the major direction. So we're looking for short trades. So you're looking for a three-wave pullback that's comes to the 261. I mean the 127 extension. You're looking for hidden bearish divergence, and boom, look for that golden entry that I shared yesterday. Okay, see we're kind of on the 1 hour in the oversold region, but here's something interesting here, as we got higher lows, lower lows. That's hidden bullish divergence. Okay, in other words, it's saying that there's the next move could be up. Okay, then down. So that's what that's kind of saying to me. It doesn't mean it can't continue, and this price can wipe out that divergence. Okay, so you got to remember that, guys. Price can wipe out this divergence like there's nobody's business. So all price needs to do is break this peak right there, and that divergence is wiped out, and we continue down to the downside. Okay, so this thing needs to finish down. Not sure how it's going to go. It's hard to tell. On the Forex, it's harder to tell, what they're going to do. See if I can see it here on the smaller time frame here. Yeah, I look for. I mean, I don't know how low it's going to come, but look for a correction before you take it short. I mean, take it short if you want, but look for a correction of substantial size before you take it short again. But that's what I think. I think short is the direction long term. Okay, there's EU. Gonna have to go a little faster here, guys. TRX. Let's do TRX. Okay, Tron. 3 day. That's a crap chart. Tron sucks. Tron's chart sucks. There's no reading this. There's no counting this. There's just I wouldn't be personally. I wouldn't be trading it because I wouldn't trade it until I got something like this. Personally, I'd wait for that. Once you got that, then buy after 3 waves. Measure the 127 extension. Look for the divergence, and boom, off to the races. So yeah, who knows when that wave's going to end? There's no clear wave set there. Looks like an ending diagonal right there, possibly, but that's just a crap chart. I would just run away from that chart right now. Um, it's bullish long term, but if you want the best entry, I would hold off. I would just wait until you see that play out and then go. Okay, that's the way I'm looking at it. All right, got EJ. All right, time for ECT and Tesla. See if I missed any tips that others gave. Indy Money. Thanks for the coffee, buddy. Thank you for the coffee. Appreciate it. Okay. Oh, wow. ECT, Tesla. Guys, I'm going to go as long as I can. Um, I go as long as I can. Um, but I'm pretty tired. Look at that chart. What in the world? I mean, it's at zero, man. What are you going to do there? You going to buy? Or is the company dead? There's nothing to say. Sorry about ECT. Can't help you there. Let's look at Tesla. Still in a correction. Um, that's what we're looking for. Back to 1300 to 1200 in that range. 1324 is probably a better target. 1300, 1324, and then maybe ready for an up move again after that. Now, if that thing already finished and it's not going to come down to 13, so in other words, if you get an up move from here, then this is already reversed 1, 2, and then we're going. So if you get a break above what 1540 from here, then it's going up. But as long as it breaks this bottom here, watch for 13, watch for 12. There's a gap here. And then we can buy again, maybe. Unless this gets super complex. Wait for an engulfer off of that, some kind of a clear signal that it's going. So there's Tesla. EU, tactical. Thanks, man. No problem. Glad to help you on EU. Appreciate it. James, I don't have my popcorn, man. I'm sorry. All right, Apple. Somebody else asked for Apple. You want Apple? Yeah, okay. Ooh, got a nice big gap there. Whew. Yeah, we're starting to get parabolic here, guys. Starting to get up. So who knows how high it's going to get to? Don't have any structure, but guys, it's due for a correction. So be careful. And Apple, be careful. It's due for a correction, especially after that gap right there. That's kind of a signal to me. Let's see if I can analyze this wave a little bit. Ending diagonal, kind of. Uh, Guys, looks like a correction is imminent to me. How deep, how big, I can't say, but it looks like it's very imminent. I'd be taking profit right now. Or shorting. I'd be looking to short Apple, looking for setups for short. That's my bias for Apple. Excuse me. All right, Polash. Let's see, HM Polash. I will get the rest of your requests in private chat, man. Okay. Let me skip through for your chief for a minute. Since you're part of the group, buddy, let me 4-hour chart. Here we go. Your chief. Guys, I'm going to go to 11 and then I'm done. Okay. I'm going to go to 11, then I'm done. Five. Up and then down. That's the way I'm looking at it on the hourly. So I'm looking for an up move and then down. That's what I think. Um, Immediate term. Okay? That's what I think. What that would give us is three-way move to the downside and then maybe up from there again. So got Tezos, got Link, AAVE. I'll try to get that one. Oh, HM Polish, you gave me the list. Thank you, buddy. I really appreciate that. I didn't see that. I just saw all these. Thought those were all your requests. That's the list. Thanks. Okay, AAVE. Let's get that and S&P 500 quick. I'm doing my best, guys. What do we want? USD. Sure. I mean, this kind of looks like one we are Link. I think this looks like Link. Three-way move, 1, 2, and on our way up. That's the way it looks. Yeah, I mean, it's going up, going up. I first target is 1-to-1 extension. So yeah, AAVE. I mean that's but it looks more impulsive to me. It looks more like this. So yeah, I mean you're getting up to 55, 60 cents at least. Probably AAVE. Okay, let's look at S&P 500. I think I have that on my list over here too. Yeah, clear my chart. Daily. I think the S&P 500 is going up. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 2. I don't know. Double R, thanks, man. I appreciate it for the coffee fund. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. Did you get a request in, buddy? Um, hey, Rob, I don't use bots, but I'm open to them. I just haven't ever really got into them, man. Haven't really ever got into them. Um, S&P's tough, but it looks like it wants to get up here to 33.14. Looks like it wants to go up here. So I'm not sure. It just depends on what this is. If this is just a three-wave move, it looks like it might be done. 1, 2, and then down. It just depends. But this looks like a five. This looks like a five wave to me, right there. Three wave break the high, so it's kind of a flat, and then down we go for a fourth wave. So that's what I've been waiting on right there, and then we go up for S&P. So I'm kind of looking for a down move, but it looks like it wants to go up. So be careful. If we go up here, look for 33.14 or a little higher. Okay. So yeah, there's S&P. I'll get square for you. Give me a minute. I'm trying to go in order. BNB BTC. I'll try it. Yeah, it looks down. This is a corrective structure here. So it's making a bear flag, basically, the way a lot of people would think of it. So it's going to consolidate here most likely, and then head down again. Just looking at it quickly. Got a three-wave move to the upside. Boom, boom, boom. Just looking at it quick. So it looks like it wants to go down some more. Best I can tell. Just real fast. If we come and break this high, obviously not. But if this looks like it's bear flagging out, and then boom. So there's the direction for BNB BTC. Square. Okay. Let's hit square. The keyboard's not working. Come on. All right. What's square doing? Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Rob, I like pairs with nice charts. I like to see clear three-wave moves and then impulse. Yeah, I mean, so right now for Square, hard to tell, but it looks like it's heading up impulsively, due for a correction. But the way this thing went up, I mean, we got a clear three waves here, no doubt about it. Boom. So we're getting it's gonna probably get up here to 151. That's the first target, and then 184 is the next one. How it gets up here, I can't say. I can't say it's not going to do that and then that. But it's up we go. Square looks like it's heading up. That would be my first. This is my next target. This is where I'd be looking at to take some profit maybe for a pullback and then more. But yeah, that's the way Square looks, Raul. Is ETH looking okay? Let me check it out, Casey. I'll check it out. Yeah, ETH is coming down. Good, good. It needed to come down. We'll see. We'll see. It needs to come down and kind of impulsively. I need to see it, with some continuation. So, ETH, I'm wanting this and then down. So we got a three-wave move. I'm not sure if that's going to happen or not. We'll see. But right now, I'm short in Ethereum. So, and good. I'm glad we didn't go past the 1618. That was good. That was good. Hey, Meyer, what's up, man? My friend, how are you, sir? All right, guys. Did I hit? I think I hit everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed the night tonight. Um, Thanks for stopping by. I'm Double R. Did you have a chart, man? Oh, I did it. I did it for you. Did I? I handled it too quickly. Is that okay? It's. Let me know. All right, good deal. I think I got everybody. I think I got everybody. Yeah, it's bedtime. All right, Candy Technology. Okay, last one. Last one. Here it is, just for you, Indie Money. Unless Meyer, do you want a chart, man? You want me to look at XLM for you? Holy moly! Whoa! What caused that spike, man? What caused that spike? Yeah, double R. It's looking like it's going down, man. The BNB chart. Mm. Wonder what caused that spike and rejection. Yeah, I don't see much here, guy. I don't see much here that I'd trade. There's no clarity to this chart. There's no rhyme or reason. Um, a little too volatile for me. I personally, I'm not trading this chart, and I don't see much. That gives me any kind of confidence in direction, man. That just looks a bit crazy to me. So yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about Candy there. Oh, I see. OXT. Yeah, man, let's do it. Let's do OXT, buddy. Anything for Meyer. Meyer has really just helped me, encouraged me from the very beginning to get my channel going. So thank you, buddy. Yeah. So we got a clear three wave on OXT down to the 127 extension like we were looking for. But then what did we get after that? We got a three wave to the upside. So that is telling. But it didn't get to the one to one. So it might just look like a three wave, and it could be a five wave. Tough one. You might wait. It looks like we're getting this, Meyer. Looking for the 1-to-1, 1686 to 1642 in that region might be a good buy zone. And then your stop loss is just right underneath this low at 1587. So, if it makes another low here, that's your stop loss. But be careful, they might just come and wick it and take it up. So understand that. So be careful about that. They might just go ahead and take it down. So watch this wave come down, and then watch this region right here. Um, if it looks like it's going to continue down, they might take it below this area, but then that might be the buy zone, and then boom, you're off to the races, to the upside. So we'll see. We got to see what Bitcoin and Ethereum do. But like I said, I'm trading Ethereum and Bitcoin down for now. So good deal. All right. You'll get it. Yeah, you'll get it in a couple years. It's taken me 3 years to get to where I am now, and once as you watch me look at the charts quickly, you'll start to just see it. You'll just start to see it, and it'll come to you quick. So y'all have a great night. Thanks for stopping by Sunday Night Charts. Had a lot of fun with you, and thanks for all the tips tonight. Really appreciate it. Helping my family, helping grow my trading account. Trying to go full time and really provide a good product on the channel. So thanks for making it what it is, and you guys are supporting and helping. So tell your friends about the channel, and we'll see you tomorrow with another video.